Hallie, did you pick berries?
Yeah.
So they was fun.
Yeah.
Who had fun?
Porky.
You're gonna cook the berries?
Who had fun?
Porky.
Porky did?
Poke.
How about, how about Nana
Yeah.
and Hadley?
Yeah.
See, we best friends.
We're
Yeah,
friends.
we're friends. Are you my best friend?
Yeah.
You're my baby?
My Hattie.
Yeah, you're Hadley.
Are you mommy's?
And Anna.
And that's Nana.
Are you
You love
mommy's
me?
best friend too?
And Mommy.
Yeah, we're best buddies, aren't we? And Mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want me to clean your face a little bit?
No.
Okay. We won't. You got berries all over your face.
Yeah.
Do you like to eat berries?
Yeah.
They're really good.
Yeah.
I like them too. Can you give me one?
Yeah.
Mmm. That's delicious.
My eat them.
Mm-hmm. You can eat some. Mmm. Say delicious. Delicious. Very good.
My mom has some.
Mm-hmm. Mommy wants some? Oh! Oopsie. Here you go, Mommy.
Thank you.
Oh, she just got more on her face. Oh. It's delicious.
You get Mommy?
I sure will. There, Mommy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're very kind. Oh, it's good, isn't it?
Does baby like berries?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are
He
you
does.
gonna share yours with him?
What pull it?
You want to pull what?
We want to pull it.
Want to pull more berries?
Yeah.
What's the baby's name?
People eat.
Baby Reed.
You love him?
Yeah.
He's sweet.
Yeah.
What's your big brother's name?
Hattie.
No.
Your big brother.
What's brother's name?
Brother KK.
Brother KK. Yeah.
You want that back?
Yeah.
What's this? Who's this?
Nana.
Nana. Thank you for giving me a pretty flower. Say, Queen Anne's lace. Good.
Good job.
You're smart. You're pretty.
She's Papa's girl. She likes Papa.
Have you got this girl?
Yeah.
You love him.
Yeah.
You hug him. Give him big hugs.